3D cat. Place maple wood on the platform. Press the autofocus button to obtain the optimal focal length. Set the laser parameters. Press the start button to begin the processing. Laser 3D engraving in progress. Set the image output direction in the GCC printer driver according to the exhaust direction to reduce creosote residue on the engraved areas, making them easier to clean. Use a toothbrush with water and detergent to clean the carbon off the maple wood. Sample is completed.